welcome once again to my YouTube channel. It's me, Okemutefole. So I know it's been a long time you saw a video on this channel because guess what, guys, I'm getting married. Okay, so guys, I'm actually getting married. So it's actually me taking a lot of my time, the preparation and everything, you know now. So it's been really hectic for me. Okay, so I've not really had time to share any video on this channel. So today I decided to take my time and create a video for you guys while everyone was sleeping. Don't tell anybody. I was busy creating this video so I could upload it on this channel just because of you guys. And thank you to those who actually reached out to me, who wanted to know if I was fine, and those who actually reached out also to get 1 or 2 of my courses. So I want to say thank you. All right, so if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button right now. I mean right now. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like this video so that YouTube can get to show this video more to other persons. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll be at alert whenever I drop a video on this channel. If you have done that, then thank you so much. Now, to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much, guys. You guys are the real deal of this YouTube. All right, thank you guys for returning back. I see all the amazing jobs you're doing. Thank you for watching my videos. All right, so I remember in my previous video I talked about how you can actually start creating educational books that you can also sell on Amazon KDP. All right, so today's video I'm going to show you how to create a mass addition education book that you can sell on Amazon KDP. So it's more of like a workbook for children where children get to feel they get to answer questions like 2 + 2 is 4, 1 + 3 is 4, 2 + 3 is 5, and all of that. So you just have to create the workbook and you list it on Amazon KDP. So if you watch that video where I said you should stop creating low content book and do this instead, I made mention of, there was a place I talked about that education books are books that not everybody can take their time and create it. So it is a niche that is still coming up that is not yet flooded so much like low content books, where you get to see millions of coloring books all over the Amazon store. All right, so these educational books are really difficult to make, like I mean really difficult, very difficult. So if you're someone who wants to break out in this niche, I would advise you to get started on these educational books because it's not so flooded. All right, so let me show you an example of what I actually mean. This is it. Come here, you can see here now, this is an educational book for children, so where they get to answer some questions and then they fill the answers as well. Okay, just as you can see now, the question says 6 + 4, what's the answer? 2 + 2, what's the answer? Just like that. So you have to take your time to create this work. All right, you have to take your time to create it. It's not something that you just wake up and you just do and expect to get results. Okay, it doesn't work that way. You have to take your time to create it, and after creating it you also have to take your time to make sure you provide the answers at the back of the book. So you see why it's really something that requires a lot of time for you to do. Okay, you need to take your time and make sure the answers are available at the back of this book you're creating now. Okay, so if you want to learn how to do something like this, if you want to learn how to create educational books like this one you're seeing on my screen now, then please make sure you watch this video to the end. Okay, so please, if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, subscribe, because right now at the point I was making this video we were 493 subscribers. Okay, please, I want to wake up and find out that we are already 500 or something subscribers. Please guys, I know we can do this. All right, okay, remember I made mention at the beginning of this video I said I'm getting married. Okay, I'm serious, I'm really serious. I'm getting married on the 29th of September and 1st October, which is actually my birth month. Guys, I'm so happy. You will not understand. I feel so excited because it's going to be a month that is so memorable to me. It falls on my birthday and it's also going to fall on my marriage anniversary for the rest of my life. Guys, can you believe that? Okay, so I'm going to be dropping a link in the comment section just in case you want to support us, you want to support I and my Odogu. Okay, yes, I call him my Odogu. So just in case you want to support I Am Odogu, don't forget to click on that link, which I'm going to drop in the comment section or the description of this video. All right, click the link and support us whichever way you want to. Okay, nothing is too small. Thank you so much. So that being said, let's head over to today's business. Okay, don't mind me, I'm just excited. Okay, so how did I come about, or how did I get to this stage? Now remember, whenever I want to start my content, I always go to Amazon KDP cover calculator. So this actually helps me to get started in knowing the measurement I want to work with. So if you come here to Amazon cover calculator, I'm just going to refresh this now. Let's see. So this is it. When it brings you here, the first thing you want to do is to come to your binding type. I'm doing a paperback. Okay, my interior is black and white. Paper type is white paper. My page turn is actually left to right. My measurement is in inches. My size, I want to use let's say I want to use 6 by 9. Okay, so I'm using 6 by 9, and my page count is actually 30. Okay, it's 30, and then I click on calculate dimension. So it's going to bring out the dimension for me. Now the full cover I'll be working with is 12.318 and 9.25. okay, so the interior, which is the area where I'll be doing my design, is going to be 6 by 9. okay, then if I'm adding bleed, it's going to be 6.125, 0.125. okay, so this is how I'm going to go about it. Now first of all, I have to come to my Canva. So remember, I use Canva for almost all my designs. So I come to Canva and I'm going to click on create a design. I'm going to set it on inches, come to customize, and I'm going to set it to be on inches. okay, the next thing I will do is come here and then see the size I want to work with. So I'm going to work with 6.125 and 6.125 and 9.125. so the size here, the width is 6.125, 9.125. okay, so this is what I'm going to work with now, because I'm working with bleed. That's why I have 125. So this is the bleed area. okay, so the next thing I want to do is to actually click on my create designs. So our work area is actually opening now for us to get started, and let me show you the magic that you can actually do with Canva, all right, in creating your education book. So this education book I'm going to show you now, guys, is going to be on mathematics. all right, so it's going to be a workbook for children that they're going to be solving some questions and answers. So at the end of this book, at the back of this book, which is usually the last page of this book, you make sure you provide the answers to those questions that you'll be answering those children. So that's why I said education books are not so easy to make like those some other low content books like coloring books, alphabet books and all of that. This one really needs your creativity, it needs your time. You need to be diligent when you are creating these kind of educational books, because you have to make sure that everything that you're going to be providing are all accurate. all right, so if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please make sure you subscribe. Hit the subscribe button now, like this video, and don't forget to comment. okay, leave a comment wherever you find value in this video. Just leave that comment in the comment section. all right, so now let me show you how to get started. Now the first thing you need to do is to come to your templates, and we're going to search for math addition worksheet. So just search for this first. Let's see if what we're looking for is going to come up. So Canva has a lot of math questions that you can make available for children to actually answer. okay, so right here now you see some examples here that you can duplicate and make use of. all right, so this one, you get to see that some of them are free, some are not free, some you have to pay for them before you can start using them. All right, so this is also an example. This one is not free. So let's say I'm just going to use one particular style. Okay, I'm just going to use one style. All I need to do is to change the numbers, that is the alphabet that are inside of them. Okay, I have to change them. If it's something that is bearing 2 plus 2, the next one should be showing me something else entirely, so that it makes it fun and easy for children to understand, instead of keep repeating one thing over and over. Okay, so let me start with this 2-digit addition you're seeing here. So I'm just going to click here and then it will add automatically. So if I zoom in, you get to see what I'm saying. I'm zooming in a bit so you get to see very well. Okay, so you see the math question, you see how clear it is. So that's why I said, if you've watched my videos before now, if you watch previous videos that I've made, I always emphasize on the importance of knowing how to use Canva. Canva is a gold. Like, Canva is a tool that nobody can actually do without. You need Canva in your life. So if you don't have Canva, please come and receive Canva from the queen of Canva. I know for some time now I've not been dropping videos on how to actually go about Canva. I'll be talking more on Amazon KDP. But if you want to learn how to use Canva, please go to my YouTube channel, subscribe, go to the playlist where you see Canva, and you get to see some of my videos that I've done on Canva. Okay, so right now this particular page, let's say I want to have my second page, but I don't want to use this same write-ups you're seeing here. So what I'm going to do now is I'll just duplicate this. I'm going to duplicate this now and then scroll down, so you see that the page is already duplicated. So what I'm going to do now is to edit this content one after the other. All right, I'm going to edit them one after the other. So I'm just going to select here. Okay, so you see now, so here should be 26 plus 13, and then I'm going to change this to 9. Okay, so that's what you're going to do for all of them. So let's just assume that I'm done doing that. Okay, let's just assume I'm done doing that, because if you check my previous video where I showed you, I've actually done some of those jobs, and it's just left for me to sort out the answers, make sure they are correct, and then I'm going to upload to my Amazon KDP. So guys, always make sure your last page is bearing the answers to all the workbook. Okay, make sure your last page is bearing all the answers to those questions. These your questions that the children are going to be answering. Make sure the last page is bearing those answers. Okay, so that is how you create a simple workbook, education book, that you can upload on Amazon content. So please make sure you follow me for more content, and don't forget, I said I'm going to share a link in the comments of this video or the description of this video for you to support my wedding if you really want to. Don't forget, anything you want to support us with, and God bless you. If you know I have imparted you, I've dished out so much value for you, then please click on that link and support us. All right, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and if you're my returning subscriber, I want to say thank you for watching. And if you watched to this particular end of this video, I want to say thank you so much. Thank you, and thank you. So please guys, please pray for me, okay, because I don't know when I'm going to upload my next video, since preparation are already getting very close. My schedule is so tight, so I'll be finding it difficult to upload a video any moment for now. But in case you see my video on this channel, just know that, well, let me not say, but please don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.